Hello and welcome to another video on this new channel, Crypto Simplified. I might change the name later. Thought I'll make a quick video with updates on a few things, and also there's another project that caught my eye. Wanted to talk about that. So first up, Binance is doing a Cardano wallet maintenance on the 20th. So if you are withdrawing ADA for any CNFT project or something, keep this in mind, because I did withdraw ADA a few days ago from Binance. I think it was Saturday or Friday, I can't remember. And it was taking ages. Normally it takes about a couple of minutes. This time it took about 2 hours and it was still not done. And then I went to sleep and woke up in the morning and it had cleared. But I was worried there for a bit because it was stuck in the processing part for a while. So they are going to do some maintenance. So you won't be able to use it. Look at the times here. So you could use another exchange if you really need it. On to some news items. First, we have the Grumpy Bunny drop on the 21st Thursday. So this is the time. So this is the Halloween drop. Series 1 has dropped, and now they're doing a Halloween theme here, and they look pretty good. I mean, Hannibal Lecter here, Annie Bun Nectar. I think these are really nice, and these go for a good price as well. Only 100 available. So yeah, I am tempted, but 100, and these are very popular. I don't think I stand a chance. Next, wanted to mention briefly Wild Warriors. So last time, if you saw my video, I told you this was like my first priority, my preferred project, and I still say that. It got pushed back a little, the launch. It was supposed to be, I think, on the 21st, but now it's going to be on the Sunday, 24th. And that is fine because they're making sure everything is perfect before launch. So what this does is it makes the Lion Legends the first drop that I'm really going to try and take part in. Maybe I might try Grumpy Bunny, maybe. I wanted to talk about this project that I found out. This is Degen Crypto Club. And once again, the art style was instantly appealing, very clean, and yeah, just high quality again. Also, I saw an interview with one of the team members, and they were discussing about the project and stuff. It's a brother and sister team. Sister does the artwork, etc. This is also going to drop on the 26th, like in a few days' time. And I'll just quickly give you an update on what they're doing. There are only 2,500 of these, unlike like the 10,000 that most seem to do. Also, everyone will get a free airdrop. So what they're going to do is they'll have 500 holiday drops for 5 holidays. I think they'll start with like Christmas, Easter, Valentine's, summer, and next Halloween. So what will happen is, like, out of the 2,500, every 500 will have a trade for one of the holidays, and you will get that free one. And these are 40 ADA. So you are basically getting 2 for 40, meaning 20 each. So yeah, keep an eye on this one if you're interested. These look very interesting to me. I might try this. So yeah, so good project once again. Also wanted to mention like a tool I found for checking followers on Twitter. So when you're doing your research for CNFTs, you may want to check if the Twitter followers are genuine. So here, let's say we try Grumpy Bunny. Is it Grumpy Bunny CNFT? So we go here, paste the Grumpy Bun. And if you see here, audited 12 days ago, let's audit this. So we do a recent one. See, I've done some of these, and everyone checks out, everyone's fine. Because if it's like a rug pull or a scam project, they can get a lot of fake Twitter followers, fake Discord members. So we want to make sure we are getting genuine people who are following them, and also active people. Like, a lot of people are just not active. So let's see, this is completed. So 3.6K followers and 2.5 fake, which is, you can see, pretty good score. That's just going to happen because there are giveaways and stuff. So there's bound to be a few here, but active 97.3%. That is excellent. So it also gives you more breakdown, people who have been inactive for a long time, followers with very few tweets, very few followers, things like that. So yeah, not bad. And of course, if you have a premium plan, you can get more details. So this is called Follower Audit on Twitter. That's the website. You can go and check for that. And yeah, I've been going through the discourse for all these, and there was a Q&A on Camel Club last night. The two devs there, they were interacting with the community, very handy. There was also an AMA video from Lion Legends. So like in my last video, I said I wasn't aware of the team. They did share an AMA here in the announcements, I think. Yeah, here. So we got to meet the team. So yeah, most of these check out. I've also been doing some research on crypto dinos and their rarity. They have this tool here called Dino Bot here. So if you enter like the number for the dino, it gives you the rarity and the uniqueness here. It's a very handy tool, because this is a project I really like. They look really nice and I wanted one, but the floor is about 84, 85 ADA right now. So I was going through these yesterday, checking the rarities and things. So handy little tool. And yeah, before I go, just wanted one last thing, which is I wanted to go ask you a question, which is this one here on my Twitter. Now, with the profile picture style CNFTs, which one do you prefer? Do you prefer them looking this way, or do you prefer them looking this way? I've realized I prefer these ones, the ones that look this side. And you can see here, I mentioned in my tweet the other day that I'm interested in these. Notice all of them are facing the same way. I don't know if it's just subconsciously something, or if there is something to it. I don't know, but I've noticed like I'm preferring these ones. Anyway, hope this was fun, and I'll catch you in the next one.